Today I'm making frozen cookies and cream brownie sandwiches. First I'm going to make the brownie cookies, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix. Next I'm going to add 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter. Next I'm going to mix that up until the cookie dough forms. Next I'm going to add the cookies onto a lined baking sheet, and then I'm going to bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream. Next I'm going to mix that up until the cream starts to thicken. Then I'm going to add 1 box of instant Oreo pudding mix. Next mix that up until it's combined. Now I have the cooled brownie cookies in the filling. I'm going to add a scoop of the filling onto 1 brownie cookie, then add another cookie on top. Then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the brownie cookies, and once I'm done I'm going to put these in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours before serving. Here's an up-close look at the frozen cookies and cream brownie sandwiches.